Hey guys, and welcome back to the WordPressicu.com video tutorials. My name is John, and today we are going to discuss just a little bit about how to manage your plugins in your website. We're not going to get into detail on how to use them because there's thousands and thousands and thousands of plugins that make your website function in different ways, okay? But we're going to talk about how we can add them and install them to your website and managing them through widgets, okay? So, assuming that you already have a WordPress installation installed on your web hosting account or on your local machine, let's go ahead and log into your WordPress and go to your dashboard, as you see right here. When you log into your dashboard on the left side, you're going to see a tab under the Appearance tab called Plugins. And when you hover over Plugins, you'll be greeted with a menu called Installed, Plugins, Add New, or Editor. We're not going to worry about the editor menu today. We're going to focus on the installed and on the add new menus. So let's go ahead and click on add new. Or actually, let's go ahead and click on installed. If we click on that, you'll see that we have Kismet and Hello Dolly that are installed to the website. However, they are not activated. Okay, so the nice thing about WordPress is you can keep a database of plugins on your website, but they don't have to all be activated at the same time if you don't wish for those to be activated. So say we need to find a new plugin. You'll see up here at the top we have add new, or we have the add new on the left, very similar to like you're adding themes. We click on it and you're greeted with the upload button, a featured, popular, or newest. Okay, so they feature and show their plugins from the WordPress database over at wordpress.org, just like they feature and show their themes. So let's just go over to featured because we're going to use just a regular popular plugin. We have BBPress, which is a forum software created by the WordPress developers. We have Theme Check, we got Jetpack, Super Cache, Hotfix, and so forth. So let's say that we want to add what's called BuddyPress, and BuddyPress turns your complete WordPress website into a social community, allowing people to register, allowing people to have their own profiles, and so forth. So let's go ahead and install that, and all we have to do is click on Install Now, and it'll say, are you sure you want to install this plugin? And you say yes, or hit OK. And then right here, you'll see Activate Plugin, so we'll go ahead and click on that. Now, if you go back to your Installed Plugins menu under your Plugins tab, you'll see now that we have a Kismet, Hello Dolly, and BuddyPress. And BuddyPress has already been activated. And at the very top, you'll see where it says BuddyPress was successfully activated. Please run the installation wizard. So we'll go ahead and run that installation wizard, and you can go through different settings of these plugins and whatnot. And just to run through these real fast, save. Just keep going through here. We'll let it switch out our theme, and we'll finish and activate it. Now, if we head back over to our training website, you'll see that our theme totally changed to the BuddyPress look, and this is a whole plugin that just changed your entire website. So what we can do is we can see that it added an activity wall, it added groups, and a members list and whatnot. It's pretty cool too because it even adds a really nice registration page to your WordPress, just like so. Pretty cool. So new people can register to your site and sign up for your website using the BuddyPress plugin. So it's pretty convenient. And I'm gonna log back in here. So when you install plugins, you manage those from the Plugins tab. You can see what's activated. You can see what's deactivated. When you install and activate a plugin, most of the times these plugins have setting pages. So you can see settings right beneath this plugin title, which takes you back to what was the installation wizard. But a lot of the times you can locate those setting pages by going under settings and going to the plugin name right here for BuddyPress. Okay, and sometimes they'll add a main button up here as well for that plugin. So keep an eye out for that. Make sure that the settings are set correctly before you use a plugin to make sure that your website functions correctly. And so we'll go ahead and just add one more plugin. We'll add a plugin that will disable comments on pages. So we'll type in something called like disabled comments. When we search for it, you get a whole list of different plugins that have some kind of relation to the term disable comments. And one thing that I usually use is the disable comments plugin right here at the very top. It works great. It takes away that comment box on the bottom of pages and posts, or whichever one you want. You can configure that option in the settings page. But we'll go ahead and install it to our website and hit activate. And remember how I said that most plugins have setting pages? Well, you can't get to the settings page from this tab area like you can for BuddyPress. So what we'll do is we'll go over to settings, and see at the very bottom you have the disable comments link. Okay, we'll click on that, and on this page we can say, okay, we want to disable comments for posts, pages, or media. Okay, or remove all comment related controls from WordPress. So we'll just say remove from pages and posts. We'll update that setting. We'll go back to our website, to our training site, and we'll see that under the post, that comment box is no longer there. Because you can remember when we were talking about managing comments, I created a comment. Well, I can't anymore because that comment box has been totally removed by that plugin. If you want to allow comments again, simply go back to settings. Let's see, go back to settings. Let me refresh this. And back to disable comments, and uncheck the post tab. Refresh, and voila, there you go. That comment box is once again back. So it's not completely removing the comment function out of WordPress. It's just commenting out the comment code in the post template. Okay, so that's how you manage your plugins. If you want to uninstall a plugin, simply go back to your plugins list and click deactivate, just like so. And if you want to get rid of them totally, just click on them on the check boxes and delete them. So that's how you manage plugins. I hope that helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll look forward to working with you in the next video tutorial by the WordPress Intensive Care Unit. Thanks again. My name is John King.